Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default airport in the Asky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Setting button. And then click on the Default Airport button. And as you can see, here are all the airports that you can set here. So just click on the one that you want. And the default airport is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.